as an entrepreneur. Okay, so I'm going to go over what those 4 things are, and then what my opinion is on some things on how you can circumvent it. Okay, so one of those things is letting go of employees. So a lot of times people think, oh my God, it's so hard to find somebody. Listen, it's not hard to hire people. It's a lot harder to get rid of somebody because that person is depending on you for their income. But at the end of the day, I was taught by my mentors, and y'all, I still struggle with this, mind you. I was taught by my mentors to hire slow and fire fast, because at the end of the day, if your name is on the door and your brand is at stake, and somebody is not treating your customers well, somebody is showing up late. Like, if I don't show up late for y'all, why would you show up late for a paying client, right? So you have to put a system in place. I normally have 1, 2, 3, right? You give them